How come we got drizzle and blue sky?
Yeah, there'll be a rainbow. I can see a rainbow.
Okay, everybody ready?
Nope.
I'm just backing out from the stones.
Hang on, we're just waiting for the pan sofa to back out.
Bit of furniture removals going on. The old Volvo Estate, the old Volvo 240.
Beauty.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, okay.
Tally bloody ho. This is where we saw that rather nice filly.
It was, wasn't it?
It was, wasn't
Just
it?
there.
Yeah.
Just there. Ding dong.
Not so today.
I've just put my tinted visor down. I
What?
say. Are we all here?
Yep.
Joe, this junction you're going right. Have a safe ride, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Take it easy, Joe.
Nice to see you, Joe.
Stay safe, mate.
Nice to see you,
And
mate.
no interfering with wild animals on your way home.
See you later.
See you,
Take
mate.
care,
mate.
Take care.
See you in a few weeks.
Oh,
Right, can we get out?
Yeah. So long, farewell.
Wish me luck as you wave me goodbye. Butlin's over there to the right. Over there, look. Did you get food poisoning? Food poisoning?
Syphilis?
I wonder if we'll see any head-butting goats down at Valley of the Rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully.
They were a bit angry
Well, the
last
little
time, weren't
ones
they?
anyway. Yeah, little babies. Careful, Nigel wants to go and see the kids in the Valley of the Rocks.
You know what happened last time?
Now, he either hasn't had a phone call because no one's phoned him, or there was no signal.
There wasn't in Dunster.
No.
It's like going back to medieval times, wasn't it? Who's at the back? You, Steve?
Yep.
Can't you see the yellow smear? Yeah.
No. I thought it was a bug squashed on me fucking rearview mirror. It's not. It's Steve's headlight in the distance.
Yeah, but they are 20% whiter than the last lot.
200%.
Yeah.
Oh, 200%.
Yeah, they were
The
terrible
last lot was
before.
0.
Yeah, the last lot must have been black.
Yeah, they were, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I draw your attention to Black Lives Matter?
Da-da-da. Is this where you say I can't breathe?
There he goes.
Coming through.
Still clear, you got 3 lanes, nothing in the fast lane coming the other way. Come on, call yourself a taxi, you should be driving like a knob. Used to get my old London cab up on 2 wheels going round a tight bend.
Yeah, see, the latte's kicked in.
Oh, fucking hell, they're gonna ruin this left-hand bend, aren't they? Let's hold back. Is Steve and Steve with us?
Yeah, we're just coming up towards you.
They're coming through.
Well, you got nothing coming, you're all clear.
We're in.
All right, after this speeding juggernaut. That's it, you cock up our nice left-hander. Bastards. Lovely that is round there. So if you haven't got these tossers, it's a nice old flicky bit, this
Yeah.
And as I said before, I left my bag of change at home because you took the piss out of it last time.
Bastard.
Well, going on that assumption, I should have left me fucking bike at home then when you fuckers taking a piss when I had a puncture.
Now ask yourself, Nigel, would you have taken the piss?
Fucking dead, sir. Come on! The one in the back of the cab turned round.
Yeah, I bet.
Of course, when I got the bike out yesterday morning, I forgot my trickle charger was still plugged in, so I wheeled the bike out. All of a sudden I heard twang.
Boink.
Snapped the bastard off, didn't it?
You snapped the cable?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Well, pulled it out of the plug.
Oh, that's not...
You know,
Yeah.
the white clipping plug on the bike.
You haven't damaged it, have you?
Well, I'll have to rewire it when I get home. That'll be fun. This is the Stelvio of Somerset.
Cheers.
Load of branches in the road. Tweaks.
Lovely.
Tweaks, car coming.
Car coming.
See, we never had this last time, did we?
No, we didn't.
Never passed one car the other way, did we?
Well,
think
there
we
might be
did.
one near the top, maybe, but
Just hope we don't pass a coach on the hairpins.
yeah.
Great, isn't it? I mean, look at that. Look at that for a bloody hillside.
That's a fair old fucking bend, isn't it? One in the drain.
I'll just get round the bend and then you get that view to the right.
Yeah.
Anyone want to stop for a photo or not? Right, pull over here then. I'll go out. If you stop there in the gap. Beautiful view. Look at the old marshes down there.
Yeah.
I think we can just pick out Wales, can't we? Just.
What did you say about the toll booth? I missed it. Well, it'll be for 6. It'll be £9.
How much?
Perhaps if we tell them we're special,
Oh,
they might feel sorry.
they'd fucking believe you, Nige.
I'm going to say to him, listen, I'm the carer for this lot. I'm taking them out on a day trip. Anyone got Steger up on the screen?
Yes.
Look at them bends.
Oh,
look.
no.
Lovely, aren't they?
Beautiful.
Tell Nigel he's a... Okay.
I do have to say though, that tight bend there, I'm pretty sure my knob bends more than that in the middle.
I've got an important message for you, Nige, from Steve. He's on the phone, is he?
Who?
You.
No, what's up?
No, I've got an important message from Steve for you.
Am I
Yes, you are.
And so say all of us.
Ask Steve if he's doing a remake of The Wizard of Oz with the Munchkins. Follow the yellow brick road.
I think he can hear you because he's just walked to the edge of the cliff. It looked like he was just about ready to jump. Beautiful view though, isn't it?
It is.
I mean, nice on a sunny day. I mean, it would be nice to be able to fire the drone out over there.
It would.
But I bet it's windy as hell.
Yeah, I bet it is.
You see, Nige would send his drone out. He'd send his drone out, it would lose connection, go on return to home, and it would come down through those fucking trees.
Smack into a tree. Are we mounted?
We are. Dave's on now. Right, we're all clear.
Oh,
Lovely.
lovely. Shit in the middle.
Now, which one of those four you're talking about, Nige?
Yeah, quite.
I'm getting totally confused today.
Honda shit in the middle.
But just more so.
That's some steep old banks, though, isn't it, down
Oh
there?
no.
Nothing coming down. Yes, quite a trough down through there. Reminiscent of Bonnie Blue. That's a big old
that's
gouge.
a big old fucking gouge.
Big
yeah.
old gouge you got there.
You'll have to stick one of our hashtags on your video. You'll get billions of views, won't you?
What
Yeah,
are your
you would.
hashtags? What, to Bonnie?
Yeah.
Yeah, she'd
Fucking-
love that.
Rash tag.
There's the old benchlet. Good spot to stop as well. Shit in the middle. Oh, that's stones too.
Oh yeah, they were there last time, weren't they?
That's probably a coach fucking hit that. Fair warning, first bend coming up.
Yeah.
But do take it wide. Perhaps one of these cars in front will pay for ours.
They might do.
Then again, they might not. Oh, what are you doing?
You better not get in the fucking way.
What?
Oh, you fucking cow.
She's going to hang her gunties in that tree, isn't she?
Bit of roadkill there, dead pheasant.
Fuck me up here. How did you get killed up here?
We round it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Traffic's only doing about 3 miles an hour.
Oh, more shit in the road. That was literally shit in the road, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Here
Gave me
we
a
go.
wobble.
If he ain't money grabbing, I expect. Six.
There's me
I
thinking,
checked that. He's known for counterfeit. Lives in a dodgy area. Is that like the ones at the arcade where you get toys for the tickets? Cheers, bud.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you, Dave.
Bike's coming down.
Next area bin after this one.
This one is the one that may have a bit of shit on it.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. It is a bit crappy, but not too bad. Not too bad.
Yeah, don't fucking hell, you don't
kill
wanna-
switch.
Don't want to do that.
Fucking kill switch on that bend.
I think you need a smaller tank bag.
Yeah, it's a nice little road up through there, isn't it?
Lovely little road. I can't believe, yeah, it's the first time I did it a couple of weeks ago. Now I've done it twice.
There you go, look. My visor was 95% down and I still got a fucking dollop of rain in the eye.